Hey everybody, this is Florida Trailblazer hiking along this old railroad grade here in Levy County. It runs through Goethe State Forest, and it was known as the Seaboard Coastline. This actually intersects with some of the trails here in Goethe State Forest. I'm not that far from the Tidewater trailhead. If you follow those trails, you can connect right into this. It's nice to explore along it. Very scenic. And I'm out here searching for any remnants from the railroad. Sometimes you'll see old railroad ties, railroad spikes, things like that. Looks like there might be some railroad ties down here. Let's go take a look. Yeah, this looks like part of some railroad ties. And a lot of times you'll see them off at the bottom of the grade. Very swampy out here. But this grade is elevated, so when you walk along it, you're going above the swamps. And just goes straight down ahead of us for many miles. So I'm just going to walk it for a while.